Good morning, SilkieFarmers. Today we need to put a ramp in. Leads up to the door for the chickens to go in the coop. Do a couple of things, make it easier for them, and it'll keep the area from underneath getting muddy. Got a little block there to set the end of the board on, and we're gonna, I don't know how well that's focusing through that little chicken wire there, but that's where it's gonna go. Stay tuned. So to put our little walkway ladder on, we're using this old piece of 2x6. We'll cut an angle on one end, cut it the length, and then we'll put our little steps on. They'll go like this across there, so they have some grip in case it's raining. Something for to stand on the ladder, walkway, whatever you want to call it. And that's what we're working on. Say good morning, Tommy. Tommy, say good morning. There you go. Good morning to you. Look, Tommy, I'm trying to work out here. You keep stalking me, we're gonna have some words. So what I did was I used liquid nails. Just to put those down on there. They're a little closer together at the bottom. Get just a little further spaced out at the top. And then once that dries, give it an hour or so, and then we'll go attach it to the side of the building, under the door, and the chickens will be happy. Tommy, what did I tell you? We're gonna have words. All right, so here it is installed. Went down under the door, brought it out. They got their little things there to step on if they need it. Traction, they're a little closer at the bottom, get further apart towards the top. Got a little piece of brick underneath there, so it's not sitting exactly on the ground. Now we can test it, make sure it's gonna clear. Oh, come on now. I have another video installing one of these doors in the other coop, and it cleared, so we're good there. Here's the other automatic watering system that we have. This one uses a float tube versus weight in the bowl. Real quick, I'll just give you a quick. Just got the float tube, and it goes down, water comes in, gets up to the right level, shuts off. Gives them fresh water all day, every day. Guess we need to open that back up. And it still clears. Quick, easy project. Keeps them from having to demand, keeps them from having to jump. We have them temporarily inside this cage outside the coop to get them used to the new coop and staying close to it. Riri, do you mind? Because they were in that A-frame over there, but it was too crowded, so we had to move them over here. Once they get used to this area and going into this coop every night, then we'll move this cage out of the way so they can have free range to the rest of the area. So that's how we installed the ladder steps for this new coop. Check out one of these videos up here. I'm sure you'll like them. And I'll leave links to the door, the automatic door, and that waterer in the description. Have a great day and God bless.